In the next activities, we need to show the flow of goods and services, and then the flow of income and spending in the circular flow model. Let's start with the flow of goods and services. Our simple circular flow consists of households and firms, and these two groups interact. They interact and they meet in the factor market, and there's also the market for goods and services. Now, in the first instance, we need to discuss the flow of goods and services. Firms are the producers of goods and services, which they supply to the market for goods and services. These goods are bought by households, so there's a flow from the market for goods and services to households. If we look at the other side of the coin, we know that households are the owners of the factors of production, which they supply on the factor market. So there's a flow of factors of production from households to the factor market. Firms are the ones that employ the factors of production, so there's a flow of factors of production from the factor market to firms. This is the flow of goods and services in the circular flow. But we also need to discuss the flow of income and spending. Now, we start off again with households and firms. And again we can say, but these two groups interact, and they meet in the first instance in the factor market, and they also meet in the market for goods and services. Now we have to discuss the flow of income and spending. Firms are the ones that employ the factors on the factor market, which are provided by households. So there's a flow of income from firms to households. Households spend on goods and services, so there's a spending flow, and this spending on the market for goods and services by households become the income for firms. So to summarize, households, the owners of the factors of production, they receive an income when they sell their factors of production. Firms spend on the market for factors of production. In the market for goods and services, households are the ones that spend, and firms receive an income that what we as households spend in the market for goods and services.